So this workshop will give me the opportunity to learn a lot more about all of those areas, and then I can start to take some of those back into my department. I work in pharmaceutical development. I'm realizing that websites are changing, the dynamics are changing in terms of the way people interact with websites, digest information. The efficiencies and the processes which we utilize within a marketing department need to change, and there's so many opportunities that AI can bring. Processes help with efficiencies and improve the way we do things, and I feel like there's going to be a lot of value out of today. I think one of the key takeaways for me of the morning is process mapping and looking at how we can utilize AI agents in order to improve some of those inefficiencies at work. One of the things I'll do when I get back to my work is map out a few of those processes and really look at some of that low-hanging fruit where we can bring in AI agents. Obviously, there's still a lot of work to do going back into the business and convincing other people within the business, senior leaders, of the importance of bringing in these agents, but I think there's a lot of value and I'm very confident I'll be able to do that. I'm a leader of the department and I need to lead by example, and that includes understanding and delivering on AI. Yes, I would recommend this workshop to a colleague. I think it's an excellent opportunity for business leaders to explore AI in detail, take a more holistic approach, and understand how AI as a platform can really help improve the way their businesses operate and improve processes across different departments. I think it's critical that people get involved now because things are changing rapidly. The most interesting things that I've learned today was how easy it is to create a custom agent to help build out content, for example. Within the space of 10 minutes, I created a custom LinkedIn agent to help me generate copy. I feel more excited about AI, definitely, and most importantly, more confident as well. So when I go back into the business, I feel like I can take a more leading role in those conversations.